I'm Ros Canter, the 2018 World Champion in eventing. We are here tonight at Reaseheath College to show you our demo, which is called 4 Years to 4-Star. So the idea of this evening's demo is to show everybody the progression through the levels for the horses moving up in the eventing world, which means we're going to start right at the very bottom with pole work and cavalettis, moving up to some small jumps with turning exercises, and straight away we will introduce some little skinny jumps just to show you how that's something that we build into a horse's career right from the word go. The second horses we bring out will start to jump a little bit bigger. We're going to challenge them a little bit more at changing the paces, going a little bit more into a gallop, bringing them back into more collected work, and also bringing some dressage boards in to give people an idea of little tricks of the trade that will really help somebody's dressage test. The final horses are going to do things a little bit more complicated. They definitely challenge the rider as well. We'll be doing lots of skinny fences. And the other thing is that the main evening is really revolved around rider discipline, lots of things you can concentrate on as a rider and that are really important for me to be successful. Also this evening we have a fantastic support rider in Heidi Coy. She was double silver medalist at the Junior European Championships this year, and she's also bringing 3 of her young horses to ride alongside me. My top tip for equine students at Reaseheath College is just keep working really hard. If you've got a dream or you've got something you really want to achieve, you just have to keep on working, and if you have a setback, find another way of doing it and have another go. You don't have to be the most talented rider in the world or the most talented groom, but it's the people that are prepared to put the hours in and keep on learning all the way through. You never stop learning. That will make you successful in what you want to do.